Good morning, my dear students. Kailash Chandra Panda welcomes you to a new blog. In this episode, we will go through the first chapter from your non-detailed test, that is, A Tiger in the House. The story A Tiger in the House is written by the eminent writer Mr. Ruskin Bond, who is an Anglo-Indian story writer in English literature. Today we shall discuss the first unit of the topic. Let's look the first and second paragraph. Timothy the tiger cub was discovered by grandfather on a hunting expedition in the Tarai jungle near Dehra. Grandfather was no shikari, but as he knew forest of the Shivalik hills better than most people, he was requested to accompany the party. It consisted of several very important persons from Delhi to advise on the land and the direction the beaters should take once a tiger had been spotted. In this unit, we shall come upon only two characters. They are Timothy, a tiger cub, and the writer's grandfather. Here, Timothy was a tiger cub. It was discovered by the writer Ruskin Bond's grandfather while he was in a hunting expedition in the Tarai jungle near his hometown Dehra. Grandfather was not a shikari, but as he knew the Shivalik hill better, the hunting party invited him to be a part of the party. The members of the party were very important persons from Delhi. The duty of the grandfather was to show way in the jungle and to advise the beaters how to take position after the tiger had been spotted. Now come to the third paragraph. The camp itself was sumptuous. 7 large tents, one for each shikari, a dining tent, and a number of servants' tents. The dinner was very good, as grandfather admitted afterwards. It was not often that one saw hot water plates, finger glasses, and 7 or 8 courses in a tent in the jungle. But that was how things were done in the days of the viceroys. There were also some 15 elephants, 4 of them with howdahs for the shikaris, and the other specially trained for taking part in the beat. The camp was sumptuous. That means it was very impressive, very attractive. There were 7 large tents, one for each shikari. There were also many other tents for the servants. The dinner was very fine. Hot water plates, finger glasses, and 7 to 8 courses were the attractions of the tent, of the camp. Such type of treatment used to be given during the time of the viceroys. There were 15 elephants in the party. 4 of them had howdahs. Howdahs means the seat on the elephant where the mount sit generally. The elephants with howdahs were meant for the shikaris, and the other 11 elephants had been given special training to take part in the beat. Now let's see the fourth paragraph. The sportsmen never saw a tiger, nor did they shoot anything else, though they saw a number of deer, peacocks, and wild boar. They were given up all hopes of finding a tiger and were beginning to shoot at jackals, when grandfather, strolling down the forest path at some distance from the rest of the party, discovered a Little tiger about 18 inches long, hiding among the intricate roots of a banyan tree. Grandfather picked him up and brought him home after the camp had broken up. He had the distinction of being the only member of the party to have bagged any game, dead or alive. The sportsmen or shikaris were really unfortunate ones. Tiger hunting was far from over. They could not even come upon a tiger. No doubt they saw many other animals like deer, peacocks and wild boars, but not a tiger. At last, giving up all hopes, they started shooting at jackals. You know, students, jackal shooting is more difficult and dangerous than tiger shooting. Now grandfather had nothing to do, so he was strolling down the forest path. Suddenly, the sight of a tiger cub was brought his notice. The tiger cub was hiding itself among the intricate roots of the banyan tree. It was 18 inches long. Grandfather had been brought it home after the camp had been over. Everybody respected him as he was the only member of the team who could find a tiger alive. Now students, let's discuss some important short answer type questions from the paragraph. First, who was Timothy? The answer, a tiger cub. Second, who discovered Timothy? Answer, the writer's grandfather. Next, where was Timothy discovered? The answer, in the Tarai jungle near Dehra. Why was grandfather invited to the hunting party? Answer, as he knew the Shivalik Hills better. Next, where were the members of the hunting party from? Answer, from Delhi. Next, what was the duty of the grandfather in the party? Answer, to advise the party on the land and give direction to the beaters. Next, what was the camp like? Answer, sumptuous. Next, how many tents were there in the camp for the shikaris? Answer, 7. How many elephants were there in the party? Answer, 15. How many elephants were there in the party with howdahs? Answer, 4. What did the sportsmen shoot after giving up all hopes of finding a tiger? Answer, jackals. When did grandfather see a tiger cub? Answer, while strolling down the jungle path. Next, where was the tiger cub hiding? Answer, among the intricate roots of the banyan tree. What was the length of the tiger cub when it was discovered? Answer, 18 inches. So students, in this way we have completed the first unit of the topic, a tiger in the house. Next time I will come with the second unit of the topic. Till then, goodbye, stay blessed.